Imagine for a moment you leave your house keys under the doormat. If a burglar finds that key, they can walk right in, no questions asked. That house key, that's your password. And these days, leaving your password unprotected on the internet is a lot like leaving the key under the mat. Welcome back to Simple Cyber Defense, the channel where we make staying safe online easy for everyone. Today we're talking about the single most important thing you need to turn on right now. It's called two-factor authentication. Don't let the technical name scare you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, why it stops hackers cold, and how to set it up in minutes. So what is two-factor authentication? Sometimes you'll see it abbreviated as 2FA or called multi-factor authentication. They mean the same thing. Think of it this way. To prove who you are, security experts say you should use different types of evidence. These are called factors. There are usually three main factors. Something you know, like a password or PIN, something you have, like a smartphone, and something you are, like a fingerprint or Face ID. Right now, when you log into your email or Facebook, you're usually just entering one factor, the password, something you know. That one-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication just means the website asks for 2 bits of evidence before letting you in. Usually it's a password plus a special code sent to you, like your phone. The best real-world example, the ATM machine. To get cash, you need your debit card, that's something you have, and you need a PIN, something that you know. If you only have the card but not the PIN, you can't get the money. If you know the PIN but don't have the card, you still can't get the money. You'll need both. That's two-factor authentication in action. Why is this extra step so critical? Here's the hard truth. Passwords get stolen all the time. Companies get hacked, data gets leaked, and suddenly your email and password combination is for sale on the dark web. If you only use a password and the hacker buys it, they can log into your bank, your email, and your social media as if they were you. But if you have two factors turned on, the hackers enter your password and the website says, "Great password. Now what's the secret code we just sent to the owner's phone?" The hacker doesn't have your phone. They are stuck outside. Even though they stole your password, they cannot get into your account. It turns your account from a house with a simple lock into Fort Knox. Okay, so how do you get the second factor? There are a few common ways ranging from good to best. The first and easiest one is SMS text messages. You can enter your password and then a website sends a 6-digit code to your phone. You type in the code in and you're done. Is it perfect? No. Sophisticated hackers can sometimes intercept these text messages. Is it better than nothing? Absolutely. If this is the only option offered, take it. Second, a highly recommended one is Authenticator apps. These are free apps like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator that live on your phone. Instead of waiting for a text message, you open the app and it generates a fresh code every 30 seconds. It's more secure than texting because the code doesn't travel through the phone network, and it works even if you don't have cell service. Finally, the gold standard, hardware security keys. This looks like a tiny USB drive. You plug it into your computer or tap it on your phone and to verify it's you. It's virtually unhackable, but you do have to buy a little device. How to enable the two-factor authentication. I know what you're thinking. This sounds complicated to set up, but I promise you it's not. While every website is a little different, the steps are usually very similar. Here is a general roadmap. You log into your account that you want to protect, like your Gmail or your Facebook or maybe your bank. You go to Settings. You look for a tab called Security and Login or just Privacy. You scroll down until you see an option for two-factor authentication or two-step verification. You click on it and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your phone number or Authenticator app. Yes, two-factor authentication adds an extra 5 seconds to your login process, but it's a tiny bit of inconvenience. But if you think about the inconvenience of having your identity stolen, your bank account drained, or losing years of photos. A few extra seconds is a very small price to pay for this peace of mind. So what should you do? Turn on your two-factor authentication for most important accounts first. Usually your primary email address. Once your email is secured, everything else is safe. And then you can go on to other accounts one by one until you have secured all of your important accounts. So if you found this simple explanation very helpful, please give the video a thumbs up so other people can find it. And subscribe to Simple Cyber Defense for more easy tips to stay online. So stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for listening to the Simple Cyber Defense Security Updates. Join us next time when we dive into more security issues, and make sure you subscribe to the podcast so you never miss an episode. Plus, if you have a topic suggestion or want to support the podcast, stop by our website at simplecyberdefense.com.